pride. L for lion, walks with pride. L for lion, walks with pride. M for monkey, jumping high. M for monkey, jumping high. N for nest, where birdies lie. N for nest, where birdies lie. O for orange, juicy and bright. O for orange, juicy and bright. P for parrot, talks with delight. P for parrot, talks with delight. Q for quail, tiny and quick. Q for quail, tiny and quick. R for rabbit, hop and pick. R for rabbit, hop and pick. S for strawberry, red and sweet. S for strawberry, red and sweet. T for tiger, strong and neat. T for tiger, strong and neat. U for umbrella, bird, black and tall. U for umbrella, bird, black and tall. V for vulture, flying above all. V for vulture, flying above all. W for watermelon, fresh and cool. W for watermelon, fresh and cool. X for x-ray fish, shining like a jewel. X for x-ray fish, shining like a jewel. Y for yak, furry and kind. Y for yak, furry and kind. Z for zebra, last in line. Z for zebra, last in line. Now we've sung from A to Z. Clap your hands and sing with me. Learning's fun, you will see. Let's all smile in ABC.